Simi Khanna, a nutritionist and a naturopath and a diabetes educator. Thank you friends, always supporting me and my family to encourage me to come up with something new. And I've got a very good support on Facebook, on Insta, and this encouraged me today to come up with a video, a topic which I could generally discuss it with you all and make you all aware about what are the benefits of easy lifestyle habits and changes in our daily day-to-day activities. So today's topic I thought of discussing was about the immunity, boosting immunity. So what do you all think? That is it easier to make our immune system stronger? Well, yes, the answer is yes. You all must have heard that a very famous saying that prevention is better than cure. Therefore, it is very important for us to have a very strong immune system to protect us from various diseases that is around us nowadays. So I'm not going to go into the detail of the immune system, but few quick tips I would like to share it with you all regarding the boosting of the immune system. So let's go to the first point. The first point is sip in a lot of hot liquids like herbal tea, in which you can add ginger. You can come up with soups in which you can add garlic, as garlic is basically an antibacterial, an antifungal and an antiviral agent. The second point is you can eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Fruits like kiwi, melons, vitamin C fruits. You can come in with papaya. Eat a lot of vegetables like dark green leafy vegetables, broccoli, cabbage. Unless and until if you're suffering from thyroid, don't eat it raw. You can eat it in the cooked form. The third point, which is very important for our immune system, is eating soaked nuts like almonds and walnuts. Like walnuts having vitamin E, niacin and riboflavin. Soaked seeds like flax seeds, which has omega-3 fatty acids, pumpkin seeds which has omega-3, 6 fatty acid and lots of fiber in it, which will help you to make your immune system much stronger. So the first what we discussed was sipping in the hot liquids. Second was your eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Third was eating nuts and soaked seeds. Fourth is keep yourself hydrated. Drink a lots of water so that the toxins are thrown out from our body. And the last and the most important, which is a new thing in the market today, is spirulina, which is a microalgae, which taken in the form is very useful for improving our immune system. So if you have liked today's episode, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your loved ones. We are what we eat. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Goodbye for now.